Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. Imagine waking up to the sound of bulldozers and realizing your entire home is about to disappear. No warning that makes sense, no plan for where you'll sleep tonight. Just the street, your belongings, a city that wants you gone. This is the story behind Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation, 1985. One of India's most powerful reminders that the right to life isn't just about breathing, it's about livelihood. Back in early 80s, Bombay pavement and slum dwellers lived and worked where the city's economy actually pulsed, near markets, mills, and stations. The municipal corporation said, "These are illegal encroachments, they block sidewalks, they must go." A journalist, Olga Tellis, activists, pavement dwellers filed a petition. They weren't asking to break the law, they were asking to be seen. Here's the core question the Supreme Court took up. Does the constitutional right to life, Article 21, include the right to livelihood? Because if you push people out of the only place that keeps their jobs within reach, haven't you taken their life in a very real way? The court said yes. The right to life includes the right to livelihood. You can't strip people of that without fair, just, and reasonable procedure. Now, it didn't say every pavement dwelling becomes legal forever. The court balanced things. It recognized the city's duty to keep public spaces safe and usable, but it laid down safeguards that changed the game. No midnight demolitions, reasonable notice, a real chance to be heard. This is audi alteram partem. Evictions timed humanely, like after the monsoon. Relocation or assistance wherever possible. That blend, dignity with order, moved Indian constitutional law. Suddenly, Article 21 wasn't just courts guarding against obvious abuses. It was a living promise. After Olga Tellis, cases on shelter, education, food security leaned on that expanded meaning of life. Policies on slum rehabilitation, resettlement, street vending began to reflect due process and humane alternatives. Did it fix everything? No. Evictions still happen. Promises of relocation vanish. But Olga Tellis gave people language and leverage. When a notice appears on a wall, communities can demand. Where's the hearing? Where's the plan? Where's the timeline that won't destroy our work? If you're a planner or policymaker, this case is your checklist. Is there notice? Is there a hearing? Is timing humane? Is there a viable alternative near livelihoods? If you're a citizen, it's a compass. Cities aren't just buildings and roads, they're people. Policy should move at the speed of dignity. So when we talk about development, Olga Tellis asks a simple follow-up. Development for whom and at what human cost? A city that clears sidewalks without clearing a path to survive isn't solving a problem. It's moving it into the shadows. The takeaway is stark and hopeful. Life means livelihood. Procedure isn't paperwork, it's protection. Rights only live when ordinary people can use them on the hardest day of their lives. That's the case. That's the impact. And that's the challenge we inherit. Thank you for watching. If you like this story, hit the subscribed button, and I will see you soon.